welcome to Pretty Plump and Trying. My name is Amanda. If you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button below. If you're interested in beauty, plus size fashion, unboxings, and more. Today, my BoxyCharm for November just came in. I figured I would shoot a video real quick and show you guys what I got. Now, if you guys are not familiar with BoxyCharm, I do get the base box. The base box is $25 a month, and it does promise you, I believe, 4 to 5 full-size products, varying from skincare, makeup, sometimes hair care. It just kind of all depends. I will leave some information in the description box below if you guys are interested. Now, this month's theme is going to be Harvest. Cute little card. And on the back, it does show everything that I got, along with the value, as well as if it's full size or deluxe, I believe, which all of them should be full. So, yeah, there we go. So, let's get into it. The first item I got is from, this is a name, Volation. It's a Revolutionizing Beauty Together. I'm so sorry if I'm jacking up this name, but here's a box. Really cute box. This is a snow, mushroom, and water serum. Okay. Let's see. It hydrates and helps improve moisture retention, minimizing the appearance of pores and redness, helps wrinkles and fine lines. Well, all right. Sold. Let's see. This retails for $62. And let me show you the bottle, because I do actually think the bottle is really pretty. Again, a sucker for that packaging. And it looks like this is a little press thing, so when you are getting the serum out, that'll be how you get it out. But yeah, and it's glass. Yeah, it's a glass bottle, so really nice. And I'm excited. Right now I do have quite a few things of skincare open, so I'll wait on this, but I'm definitely excited to try it out. Not gonna lie, the mushroom thing kind of threw me off a little bit, but it's okay. We'll try it, especially if it helps these fine lines and wrinkles. Works for me. The next thing I got is from Benefit, and this is a Gimme Brow. This was my selection. I actually got this for a friend. I usually don't do much with my brows, which might explain some things, but I don't. So I know she is really into that, so I got this for her. And this is retail value is $24. And it is a volumizing eyebrow gel. So I'm not going to open that, but she'll be excited to try that out. So yeah, it's going to be a fairly quick box because, yeah, I actually didn't have a palette or anything this month, so it was weird. Sometimes I don't mind not having a palette, but yeah, it threw me off not having one because we've had one consistently for the past couple months. The next thing I got is from Jecca Black. Again, I'm horrible with names. I try, but I'm horrible with them. Here's the box. And this is let's see, this is a liquid corrector. It's Meet the Perfect Under Eye Brightener, which disguises darkness and evens out skin tone. All right. I swear, they're saying something about me this month. Got the wrinkle thing. Now I gotta worry about my under eyes, which, I mean, they're not wrong, but still. Here's what it looks like. Cute little tube. Let's see if it's sealed or anything, which I'm hoping it is. No, but there we go. Actually, did a little bit. It's like a peachy tone, so we'll see. I'm definitely willing to try it out. If not, maybe my sister or somebody can use it, but either way, it's something. The next thing I got is from 111 Skin. And that's probably so not how you say it, but 111, whatever. It's a very expensive skin brand. I know that one for a fact. And this is the Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. This retails for $135. Oh my gosh. Okay. This increases moisture levels and delivers a shot of concentrated hydrating ingredients into the skin to combat both dryness and dehydration. Well, I hope so for that price. Ooh. But again, I do see this quite a bit in boxes and things like that, so it's really nice for me to be able to try something like this, because normally, I will tell you right now, nope. $135 is like 2 or 3 of my bills depending on the month. So here's the bottle. Really cute bottle, very simple, little squeezy top. But yeah, I'm excited to try it. I'm both hoping I like it and not hoping I like it, because of that price. But luckily BoxyCharm does have quite a few different sales going on and things going on now, especially due to the holidays coming up. So I'm quite excited. I did order a couple different things that I normally would never be able to afford, but because there's such a good discount, I can. So I'm actually going to surprise one of my friends with a pretty bougie palette, which I'm excited. I think I'm going to do it save it for her for Christmas, but we'll see. I'm not going to go into too much detail because she does like to watch the videos, but yeah, I'm excited. So we'll see. I might do a little mini haul once I get everything that I ordered. Didn't order too much, but I definitely ordered some. The next and final item I got is actually a trio, and this is from Half Caked. We're seeing this brand more and more in subscription boxes, so that's interesting. And I didn't mind the formula, so I'm quite excited. This is a Game Changer Lip Fondant Trio. Retails for $32. Again, I just really like I'll end up keeping the box and putting it somewhere on my vanity or something. It's cute. But it did come with 3 different colors. I'll show you those. The first color is Low Key. It's like a peachy neutral color. The next one is Theme Song, which is definitely more of a true neutral. And the third and final one is 82. This is supposed to be like Bordeaux. I'm messing up that name, but it's a pretty red. I'll actually take that out so you guys can see it. Yeah, it's a really deep, pretty red. I'll end up using that definitely later on. So I'll definitely let you know what, if I'm using any of these products or anything like that in an upcoming video. I'll let you know, and I'll hopefully be able to, again, show you guys what it is. But I don't know if I'm going to keep all these colors, so I'm not going to swatch them. But they are pretty, and I did like the formula. But I'm thinking that either a friend or maybe my sister, or even like my mom maybe, would like some of these colors. And my collection of liquid lipstick it's getting bigger and bigger. But yeah, it was really not a bad box, not a great box. It's weird not to have a palette in it, like not even like a face or anything like that, which it's okay. It's definitely more of a skincare kind of, I don't know, it's a weird month. But I am looking forward to December, so hopefully that one's a little bit different. But yeah, either way, I mean, it's $25 a month, and you definitely get your money's worth. And I actually got variation 54, just so you guys know, just in case. Again, it's interesting, not a horrible box, not a fantastic box, but I'm excited to try a couple of the skincare products, as well as I did really like this formula. So yeah, I'm excited. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and just a quick reminder that you are great, amazing, smart. And if today's not a good day, that's okay. All we can do is try. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.